Hello students, this is Attri. In this video we will discuss dispersion of light. So students, the first scientist that used a prism, a glass prism for describing a dispersion phenomena, that is Isaac Newton. So students, first of all we have to study about a prism. What is a prism? A prism basically having three rectangular faces and two triangular faces. Three rectangular faces, that is, this is our first face, this second, and the base is third one rectangular face. This is a prism. So students, prism basically has two refracting surface and third one, which is its base, is polished surface. The angle by which two refracting rectangular faces are inclined is called angle of prism. Angle of prism. The angle of prism is a special angle for each type of prism. For example, in basic equilateral prism, this angle is of 60 degree. For nickel prism, this angle is of 68 degree. For right angle prism, this is of 90 degree. So students, prism to prism, the angle of prism will changes. So now what is dispersion of light? Dispersion of light is another phenomena which arises when a white light strikes to a prism, then it splits into 7 colors of different wavelength. As these all 7 colors are embedded into the white color. The pattern of splitting of 7 color while a white light refracted from a prism is called dispersion of light, and this dispersion makes these 7 colors Vibgyor, named as Vibgyor. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, and O for orange, R for red. So students, to study the dispersion pattern, we have to study two extreme colors initially. So students, one is red and other is violet. Why these two colors are extreme part of our spectrum pattern? Because red has largest wavelength, which is nearly about 700 nanometer, and violet color has very lowest wavelength, which is about 400 nanometer. So students, we have to know that a white light consists of 7 different type of wavelengths, which after a refraction from a prism splits into their 7 different parts, which is called our spectrum. So students, this is our angle of prism. The cause of splitting of these 7 colors is refractive index of material of prism. What is refractive index of material of prism? Refractive index means ratio of speed of light in first medium to the second medium, or we can say that property of that material to deviate the extent of light that incident on the face of prism or another refracting object. Huh? So students, for describing, defining dispersion of light, we have to write that it is a phenomena, it is a phenomena of splitting white light into white light into seven color after after refracting a refraction through a prism. The cause of dispersion is cause of dispersion in cause of dispersion we can write that a white light consists of seven different wavelengths which splits after a refraction through prism due to its refractive index. So students, this is all about dispersion of light and a prism. Now we will take an example to understand dispersion pattern. One of its most spectacular application that applicable to our nature, which is a rainbow. Rainbow is one of the most spectacular application of dispersion phenomena. We can write here it is most spectacular application of dispersion phenomena which arises during rainy season. When sun rays intersect or refracted through tiny droplets resisted into our atmosphere. Due to these tiny droplets of water that resisted during rainy season into our atmosphere, these droplets may react as a prism that refracted that white light of sun rays after refraction may split into seven colors. This spectacular phenomena, red to violet, called rainbow. Rainbow is also of two types. which is primary rainbow and secondary rainbow. So students, this topic up to 10th standard is enough to read or study only these lines, but for up to 12th standard we have to study parts of a rainbow also. So students, if you like the content, then please like, share or subscribe the video, and if you have any type of doubt, then please put it on the comment section. Thank you.